Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this video, you're going to learn about the secondary sector which decides the economy of our nation. Secondary sector, what does it say? Secondary sector means primary sector provides the raw material and that raw material turns as a finished product. This finished product process alone is done in the secondary sector. In connection with this alone, you have a chapter 6 topic manufacturing industry in geography. Now I have splitted this chapter into 4 episodes. So first episode carries about what is called manufacturing industries, where all we can start the industries, how many types of industries. So can we start now?
Chapter begins with the definition of manufacturing. Production of goods in large quantities after processing from raw material to more valuable product is known as manufacturing. Example: sugar from sugarcane, cloth from cotton, paper from wood, iron from iron ore. Manufacturing sector is considered the backbone of development in general and economic development in particular, mainly because manufacturing industries not only help in modernizing agriculture, which forms the backbone of our economy, they also reduce the heavy dependence of people on agricultural income by providing them jobs in secondary and tertiary sector. Industrial development is a precondition for eradication of unemployment and poverty from our country. This was the main philosophy behind public sector industries and joint sector ventures in India. It was also aimed at bringing down regional disparities by establishing industries in tribal and backward areas. Third one, export of manufactured goods expands trade and commerce and brings in much needed foreign exchange. Countries that transform their raw materials into a wide variety of furnished goods of higher value are prosperous. India's prosperity lies in increasing and diversifying its manufacturing industries as quickly as possible. If we wanted to start an industry, first we have to find out the location. To find a location, two important factors are required. Number one, geographical factors. Another one is non-geographical factors. Under geographical factors, three areas we have to check it. Availability of raw materials, availability of water, and good climate. Under non-geographical factors, availability of electricity, cheap and skilled labor, transport and communication facilities, market, capital investment, suitable government policies. So if we all these are favorable, we can start our industry. If we classify the various industries based on a particular criterion, then we would be able to understand their manufacturing better. Industries may be classified as follows: on the basis of source of raw material, on the basis of capital investment, on the basis of ownership, on the basis of bulk and weight of raw material and finished goods. Under on the basis of source of raw material, here we have two subdivisions: agro-based industries and mineral-based industries. On the basis of capital investment, again two subdivisions it has: large scale industries and small scale industries. Under small scale industry, it is defined with reference to the maximum investment allowed on the assets of a unit. This limit has changed over a period of time. At present, the maximum investment allowed in rupees 1 crore. If investment is more than 1 crore on any industry, then it is known as a large scale industry. Third one, on the basis of ownership. Here you have four subdivisions: public sector industry, private sector industries, joint sector industries, and cooperative sector industries. The last one, on the basis of bulk and weight of raw material and finished goods, two subdivisions it has got: heavy industry and light industry. In this way, the classification of industries are given.
Dear students, if you wanted to watch the upcoming videos, subscribe my channel, give your likes and pass your comments. 3 more episodes yet to go to complete this chapter. Don't forget to watch. Okay, bye.